The guide explores the 10 key places women enjoy being touched and the nuances of using touch to communicate love, care, and understanding. With respect, consent, and emotional awareness as your foundation, you'll learn how to use touch as a powerful tool to foster deeper connections and emotional closeness. Number 1. Hair, the crown of closeness. Women often associate hair with beauty and self-expression, making it a deeply personal aspect of their identity. Touching a woman's hair can convey affection, care, and a sense of emotional connection. Why it's meaningful? The scalp is rich in nerve endings, making gentle touches relaxing and comforting. Hair touching can create a sense of closeness and make her feel cherished. How to approach? Run your fingers gently through her hair, avoiding tangles. Massage her scalp in slow, rhythmic motions for a soothing experience. Lightly tuck her hair behind her ear during conversations or close moments. Key considerations. Avoid touching her hair if it's intricately styled or freshly done. Ensure your touch is light and non-intrusive to avoid discomfort. Number 2. Face, the window to trust and vulnerability. The face is a highly sensitive area, making it a meaningful place to connect physically. Touching her face signifies trust, tenderness, and emotional closeness. Why it's meaningful? A gentle caress of the cheeks or tracing the jawline can evoke feelings of love and vulnerability, reinforcing trust. How to approach? Use the tips of your fingers to lightly brush her cheek or jaw. Cup her face gently during moments of affection, such as before a kiss. Avoid sudden or rough movements. Let your touch be intentional and soft. Key considerations. Touch her face only when she is comfortable with you and the relationship has built enough trust. Ensure your hands are clean and warm to avoid discomfort. Number 3. Hands, the bridge to emotional connection. Hands are the easiest and most accessible area to touch, making them a natural starting point for physical connection. They symbolize warmth, support, and companionship. Why it's meaningful? Holding hands or stroking her fingers fosters a sense of security and affection, making her feel supported and valued. How to approach? Start with casual gestures like holding her hand during a walk or while sitting together. Trace her palm or intertwine your fingers for a deeper emotional connection. Offer a light hand massage to help her relax, focusing on the base of her fingers and palms. Key considerations. Be mindful of social settings. Some women may prefer limited public displays of affection. Pay attention to her comfort level and response to your touch. Number 4. Neck, the gateway to sensuality. The neck is both an emotional and sensual hotspot, making it a delicate area to explore. A well-placed touch can create feelings of connection, security, and desire. Why it's meaningful? The neck is highly sensitive due to its nerve endings, making even light touches impactful. How to approach? Rest your hand lightly on the back of her neck for reassurance during a hug. Trace the sides of her neck with your fingertips for a more sensual touch. Kiss or nuzzle her neck during close moments, but only with her consent. Key considerations. Always ensure the touch is gentle. Avoid pressure that might cause discomfort. Pay attention to her nonverbal cues to gauge her comfort level. Number 5. Shoulders, a source of comfort and relaxation. Touching her shoulders is a universal gesture of care and support, often associated with relaxation and emotional reassurance. Why it's meaningful? A touch on the shoulders can ease tension and show attentiveness, making her feel cared for. How to approach? Lightly squeeze her shoulders as a sign of encouragement or comfort. Offer a shoulder massage to help her relax after a long day. Use slow, circular motions to relieve tension in the shoulder muscles. Key considerations. Be aware of her mood. Avoid touching her shoulders if she seems uninterested or distant. Respect her boundaries, especially in casual or public settings. Number 6. Back, the path to comfort and connection. The back is a versatile area for touch, offering opportunities to create both physical relief and emotional connection. Why it's meaningful? A touch on the back can signal support, protection, and a willingness to care for her well-being. How to approach? Place your hand gently on her upper back for reassurance. In private settings, explore her lower back with slow, deliberate touches. Offer a back massage, focusing on areas of tension around the shoulders and spine. Key considerations. Always ask for permission before touching her lower back, as it is more intimate. Ensure your touch is soothing and never abrupt or invasive. Number 7. Waist, the center of closeness and attraction. The waist is one of the most effective yet accessible areas to touch, symbolizing attraction and closeness. Why it's meaningful. Placing your hand on her waist can evoke feelings of femininity and connection. How to approach. Hold her waist gently during a hug or while dancing. Let your touch be steady and confident to convey attentiveness. Key considerations. Avoid overstepping boundaries. Always ensure she is comfortable with this level of connection. Keep your touch light and non-intrusive, especially in early interactions. Number 8. Confidence. The magnetic force that draws people in confidence is one of the most attractive qualities you can possess. But it's important to understand that confidence is not about boasting or being overly assertive. True confidence comes from being comfortable with who you are, knowing your worth, and standing tall in your own skin. When you exude confidence, you make others feel at ease and comfortable in your presence. They trust that you are grounded and emotionally stable. Confidence also makes you appear more reliable, which fosters a sense of security in your relationships. To develop confidence, start by acknowledging your strengths and accomplishments. Practice positive self-talk, and remember that confidence grows with practice. The more comfortable you become with yourself, the more attractive your presence will be to others. Number 7. Empathy. Understanding and connecting on an emotional level. Empathy is the ability to feel and understand what another person is going through. It's not just about offering sympathy, but truly understanding their emotional experience. When you empathize with someone, it shows that you care about their feelings and are willing to connect with them on a deeper level. Empathy allows you to provide emotional support in a way that goes beyond surface-level interactions. It builds trust because the other person knows that their emotions are valued and respected. This emotional connection forms the heart of any meaningful relationship. To practice empathy, try to put yourself in the other person's shoes. Ask them how they're feeling and what they need from you, and listen without judgment. When you show that you understand their emotional world, you create a deeper bond that will help strengthen your relationship. Number 6. The subtle art of mirroring. Creating rapport and building trust. Mirroring is a powerful tool for building rapport, especially in the early stages of a relationship. It involves subtly mimicking another person's body language, speech patterns, and even their emotions. This doesn't mean copying them exactly, it's about creating a sense of harmony and shared understanding. When you mirror someone, they feel more comfortable and understood because they perceive you as similar to them. This helps to lower social barriers and fosters a sense of connection. Mirroring also encourages positive feelings of trust and comfort, which are essential for any lasting relationship. To mirror effectively, pay attention to the other person's posture, tone of voice, and gestures. If they cross their arms, you might also cross yours. If they lean forward, you can do the same. The key is to be subtle and natural. When done correctly, mirroring can make the other person feel an instinctive connection to you. For more insights into human psychology and relationships, subscribe to our channel for engaging and informative content.